Now children, let us come to example 33. Example 33 says that out of 500 car owners investigated, means total number of number of persons or car owners who were investigated is 500. So again I repeat, out of 500 car owners investigated, 400 owned car A and 200 owned car B. 50 owned both A and B cars. Now is this data correct? The question is asking you people that is this data, whatever is given in the question, is correct? So let us see. Let U be the set of car owners investigated. X be the set of car owners who owned car A. Y be the set of car owners who owned car B. Now given NU equals to 500 and X equals to 400 and NY equals to 200. Also it is given N of X intersection Y equals to 50. Now N of X union Y equals to NX plus of NY minus of N of X intersection Y. Now this will be equals to 400 plus 6 plus 200 minus of 50. So this will be equals to 600 minus of 50, that is 550. Now it's clear that N of X union Y, N of X union Y is less than equals to NU, that is number of persons who owned either car A or B is less than equals to the number of the car owners investigated. Obviously this is less than equals to NU. This implies 550 is less than equals to 500, which is not correct. Therefore the given data is not correct. Let us go to the next example. Now children, let us move to example 34 of NCERT. The question is saying that a college awarded 38 medals in football, 15 in basketball, 20 in cricket. Now if these medals went to a total of 58 men and only 3 men got medals in all the 3 sports, how many received medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports? So let us start the solution, children. Since 3 games are there, we can draw 3 circles over here. Let this be for game of football, this one for basketball, and this one for cricket. Now let over here this all space, I mean this number A, this one as B, this one as C, D, E, F and G. Okay, so this number we are denoting as A, then B, C, D, E, F and G respectively. Now over here in this question, whatever it is given, we will be first writing let capital F equals to set of players, set of players, no, in three men, set of players, set of men, it is written, set of men who received medals in football. After football it is basketball. B equals to set of men who received medals in basketball. And after cricket equals to set of men who received medals in cricket. Now according to question, NF equals to 38. This implies F is how much? A plus B plus D plus E equals to 38. Make it equation number 1. Basketball is 15. NB equals to 15. Now this implies A plus C plus D plus F equals to 15. Make it equation number 2. And NC equals to 20. Now NC, let us make it capital C. NC is B plus C plus D plus G equals to 20. Now if these medals went to a total of 58 men, so we can write over here also N of F union B union C equals to 58. This implies A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G equals to 58. Let us make it equation number 4. Whatever it is given, we are writing right now. And 3 men got medals in all the 3 sports. That is N F intersection B intersection C equals to 3. This implies D equals to 3. Let us make it equation number 5. Now the question is asking that how many received medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports. So we have to find the value of A plus B plus C. Now children, over here we have got the value of D. So we will use equation number 1 to 5 to get the value of A plus B plus C. Adding equation 1, 2 and 3, we get twice A plus twice B plus twice C plus thrice D plus E plus F plus G equals to 73. Now this I can write as A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G. Now plus of A plus B plus C plus of 2D equals to 73. Now this value is given in the question as 58. Now 58 plus of A plus of B plus of C plus 2 into 3 equals to 73. This implies A plus B plus C equals to 73 minus of 58 minus of 6 equals to 73 minus of 4 and over here 6, 64, and this equals to 9. Therefore Question was how many received medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports. Therefore, number of persons who got medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports equals to 9, and this is the answer. Now children, let us do the same sum by alternate method by using the direct formula. Alternate method I am mentioning over here. Clearly here NF equals to 38, NB equals to 15, NC equals to 20, and total is 58. So F union B union C equals to 58, and only 3 got medals in all the 3 sports. So N of F intersection B intersection C equals to 3. We have to find that how many received medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports. So directly let us use the formula. We will be writing, we know that N of F union B union C equals to NF plus of NB plus of NC minus of N of F intersection B plus of N of B intersection C plus of N of C intersection F, and over there plus of N of F intersection B intersection C. Let us put the values. This implies 58 equals to NF is 38 plus of NB is 15, NC is 20 minus this all value we will be copying as such, N of F intersection B plus of N of B intersection C plus of N of C intersection F. This I am copying as such, minus sign outside, and this value is given as 3. Now this implies, this I am bringing left side, N of F intersection B plus of N of B intersection C plus of N of C intersection F will be equals to, let us add this. So this will be equals to 8 and 5 13, 13 and 3 is 6, carry 1 4 5 6 7, 76 minus of 58. So this will be equals to 18. So we are getting over here N of F intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection F equals to 18. That is children, over here we are getting the value of this one plus of this one plus of this one. It means this value is added 3 times. So we will be writing, therefore number of sports person awarded 3 medals, number of persons who got medal in exactly 2 of the sports will be equals to this minus of this 3 times. So we can write over here N of F intersection B plus of N of B intersection C plus N of C intersection F minus of thrice of over here F intersection B intersection C. So this will be equals to 18 minus of 3 into 3, that is 18 minus of 9 equals to 9, answer. Children, over here you can also write this as A, B, C, D. So you can write over here that we are getting, over here we are getting A plus B plus C plus thrice D equals to 18. So a plus b plus c equals to 18 minus thrice d, and the d value is given as 3. So 18 minus of 9 equals to 9. No, over this step you can skip by writing this. So I think you understand, children. We will be proceeding to the exercise, miscellaneous exercise on chapter 1 NCERT. Thank you, children.